You wouldn't be liking it today then?
It's a bit rough. This is one of the rare 5-minute windows I can step into the direct sun, then I've got to go hide back in the shade again.
Yeah, right, yeah.
G'day folks, Ben from Smokin Hot Confessions here, day one at Smokin in the Valley in Perth in Western Australia. With me right now I've got Bushy from Smokin Bush BBQ. Mate, is it hot enough for you?
Oh, it's a bit warm today. Breeze is alright, but so yeah, I'm from up north, so I'm used to the heat.
Oh, righty, yeah.
Yep.
See, I'm from the Gold Coast. This is very different heat for me.
Yeah, you wouldn't be liking it today then?
It's a bit rough. This is one of the rare 5-minute windows I can step into the direct sun, then I've got to go hide back in the shade again.
Yeah, right, yeah.
So I thought I'd come and talk to you because you've got a bit of a reputation as having a great story about a recent trip to the US.
Yeah, so it's about 2 years ago. Myself and my other half, we quit work, sold everything we owned, basically. Cars, bikes, all my toys, everything else.
Not all the toys.
The toys went, yeah, they had to go.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So we sold up and just jumped on a plane and flew to America and bought a car in Canada. And then we spent 6 months just driving around America, mainly down south, of course. Texas was our aim to get there and try out all the barbecue down there. But yeah, so we done that. We went all the way down the west coast, across the bottom, and all the way up the east coast. So in 6 months, lived out the back of a probably the same as a Kia.
Oh, righto.
Yeah, Carnival. Over there, it's called a Dodge Caravan.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
So ripped all the back seats out, put a mattress, and that's how we lived for 6 months. Drove around, trying barbecue and everything like that. Got a bit of a passion for it over there. Come back, started here on a gas barbecue with a little smoker box, a couple of wood chips in there, trying to get a smoke flavour out of a gas barbecue, which I don't recommend. But yeah, so we tried that, and then we got the green egg, and that kind of kicked us off. And then I custom built our offset, so it's all customised, that one. And I thought, bugger it, I'll give a comp a go. So this is our second comp now, and yeah, hopefully getting the scene a bit heavier next year and really have a crack at it. So
sounds like you're living the dream, mate. So the first question that I want to ask is, why? Like, what prompted you to go and become a barbecue groupie for 6 months?
I don't know. You live life, right? And a lot of people leave the world and everything like that. You only got one chance at it, the way I see it, and you got to make the most of that one chance. I was born and bred up north, and I didn't do much travelling or nothing like that. I thought I don't want to go in a box without seeing the world, so that was us. We just sold everything and just bit the bullet and done it. Everyone thought we were mad because obviously we had nothing to come home to. We had, no car, no house, no furniture, nothing to come home to. So we had to rebuild when we got home, but we've done all right. So I got a passion for this and got into this, and as you can see, it's great. The people are great, the scene's great and everything like that. And if you pick up a trophy, in the meantime, you're kicking goals.
That's even better, yeah. So what's the goal here? Are you looking to open a barbecue joint? Are you just looking to have a bit of fun?
No, it's just a hobby that's got out of control.
So it's the same as all of us then.
As you can see by our motto, all the gear, no idea. So we've just, at the moment, it's just a hobby. I've got no intentions of opening a shop or getting into that scene. So be it, if it happens down the track, it happens, but at this stage, no. So we're sponsored by a couple of people, as you probably see on the banners, and they help us out. If they didn't, we wouldn't be able to compete. But yeah, so we've got them backing us a little bit, but it's still a bit costly for us, and it's just, like I said, a habit that's got out of control. Luckily the missus lets me do it, so that's a bonus. She enjoys it as well. So yeah, that's all that happened with us. It's just blew out. I started something I couldn't stop. Like I pumped too much into it.
That's a common story when it comes to barbecue.
Yeah, I punched too much into it, and I thought, I can't back out now. I've got to go for it. So this is why we're here. We're going for it, and we've got a lot of top teams here. Hopefully I can give someone a bit of a run. If we upset a couple of people, that's good for us. And
So what was the biggest thing that you learned about barbecue on that road trip?
Mainly all your flavours, different flavours and all that you get in different areas of America. They barbecue a lot different in different sort of states. The flavours, yeah, are a huge one over there. We come across a couple like huge, like in America, they're top 50 and all that sort of stuff. Just trying their stuff is unbelievable how good they get their briskets and all that. I was just trying to replicate that back home, but yeah, it's just yeah, same kind of thing. The people there were friendly and all that. You know, they come out and chat to you. We met Tyler from Tyler's Barbecue in Amarillo.
Oh, cool.
He came out and sat with us because obviously we're from Australia and we're doing a tour over there and everything like that. So he actually took time out to come and sit with us, and we met him and all that. Went to Franklin's, but the line was too long, so we barleyed on that one. But when you get over there and you get out into the back streets of America, I like to call it, and you find these little gems that are just hidden. There's a couple like North Houston and that. Didn't even know they were barbecue joints. You see a little sign and you walk into them and the food in there and just the way they do it and everything like that is unique, you know. You don't get that. And it was great, yeah. Just got a real passion for it while I was over there, and that was it. Trying to bring it home and trying to replicate it here, see how it goes.
Well, mate, it sounds like you're absolutely living the dream.
Yep.
Best of luck in
No
this in this weekend's competition.
Yep, thank you. I'll give it a go.